Good morning from a sunny but windy Middleton. This is a 2021 Fiat 500 1 litre mild hybrid Star. So it's like a top of the range car. It's in Bognor white. It's one owner with just 7,505 miles and annual service history, and it's in beautiful condition throughout. An absolute little stunner really. So I'll show you around it. As I say, it's in lovely Bognor white with the diamond cut alloy wheels, as you'd expect from this low mileage. Super condition. We've got the leather rimmed multifunction steering wheel with controls for the phone, Bluetooth and volume controls, etc. A digital dashboard, the 7-inch TFT infotainment screen which has got sat nav, DAB tuner and Apple and Android CarPlay, so you can use apps such as Spotify or Waze, etc. Automatic climate controlled air conditioning. I mentioned the mild hybrid. It comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox, very economical car. The nice burgundy matte dashboard on these, and the super two-tone seats with the cross stitching, etc. Panoramic glass sunroof with a blind. That's fixed. As I say, beautiful inside and in the rear. These have LED rear lights. As I say, it's the mild hybrid model. Nice and clean in the boot. And as I say, in the back, and looking from this side, as I say, it's got the two-tone seats with the nice supportive bolsters. Super clean inside, fabulous spec car. So there we are, a 2021 Fiat 500 1 litre mild hybrid Star. It's near top of the range with very low mileage, 7,505 miles. Full information on our website, middletonfiat.co.uk. That's middletonfiat.co.uk. Thanks for looking.